Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Precious and I do a little bit of everything from lifestyle content, editing tips, hair tutorials, a little bit of everything. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So today I'm going to teach you how to make those realistic hairlines for frontal, and I'm going to try my best in the best possible way to explain it so you can understand. We have two types of net. We have HD net and transparent net. This is a transparent net. So you're going to get your transparent frontal net. I mark down the edges of the frontal net and then I cut it off so it could give me this smaller piece that I need for the work and measurements. So we're done with that, and this first line I'm drawing is going to be our base that corresponds with the edges of the transparent frontal net we measured. Okay, and then the next line we're going to draw is for the baby hair. That is where the baby hair ends. The middle line is where the baby hair starts. Okay, are you following? Okay, so I folded the sheet so I can get the exact middle point on this hair, on this transparent frontal net, because that's where our curves are going to start from. That's where it's going to, that will be like the marking point of the curves. So now we're drawing. Are you seeing it? That exact point is where the curve ends and begins again. Now you're going to get the exact center of the main frontal. That is when you fold your frontal into two, you're going to get it. Then from that center you're going to mark the amount of space. Let me say 2 meters. You mark a point there. From that exact middle to the other side you mark another 2 meters, and then you have those 2 points I put there. If you know this method is a very simple way for you to get those realistic hairline curves. And when you're done with that, you draw out your curves and then you redraw it to your frontal net, and that is basically all. Just like that, you've had your realistic hairline. Just to make sure it's at the middle, we fold our frontal net into two so the line can be bright, clear when we're ventilating, and we'll draw it out. If you can see, the exact same shape it is on this side, it's the exact same shape you still get when you turn it back. So yes, this is how you get a realistic hairline. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask me in the CS. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.